fast, downhill, point-to-point course is a Toronto favorite. Stay at one of our host hotels and enjoy our free shuttle to the start morning of the race. An expanded expo with over 70 vendors, including many retailers, with some great deals on the latest in running shoes and apparel. Every marathon and half-marathon participant receives a technical wicking shirt and a fantastic race kit filled with lots of great items. Join us at our Carbo Dinner featuring a great lineup of speakers and really good food. See the city on foot as you run down Yonge Street, the longest street in the world. Tour Toronto's great neighborhoods, Lawrence Park, Forest Hill, Rosedale. Run past Casa Loma, the St. Lawrence Market, the ACC, the CN Tower, Rogers Centre, Queens Quay, the CNE, the Lakeshore, and many other Toronto landmarks as you make your way from Mel Lastman Square to the finish line at the Ontario Legislature at Queen's Park in the heart of Toronto. Over 18 water stations along the course, over 40 bands, more than any other marathon in Canada. 1,500 enthusiastic volunteers, including our world-famous cycling team, and thousands of cheering spectators. All will help you get to the finish line. Marathon, half-marathon, and 5K finishers receive a medal as they cross the finish line. Showers and change rooms are at Hart House at U of T, right next door. Get bagels, bananas, oranges, yogurt, and more in our food tent. Free massage from over 350 massage therapists at Queen's Park. It's fast, downhill, and fun. Join us, the Toronto Marathon, Sunday, October the 19th. Run it.